How to disallow access to Agr-restricted comments from app indirect a message on Discord. Hello guys, today I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like the video. So let's start. You go first and you open Discord. Then guys, as you see when your Discord is opening, you will just go down on this list and you click on your profile. Then you will go to privacy and safety, and then you will go to allow access to restricted comments from app in direct message, and you will turn off this option by clicking here on this icon like this, and that's it. Now you turn off this option, and that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.